Hello my friends, welcome to Joyce Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3.12 on Windows 11 even if you already have a higher version like Python 3.13 or Python 3.14 installed on your system. This is especially useful if some libraries don't yet support the latest Python version. First, I'm going to show you which version of Python is installed on my Windows 11 laptop. To do that, I'm going to open the Start menu, type CMD in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to open the command prompt. Now, to check the version of Python currently installed on your Windows 11 system, you need to type the command python space -- version. Hit enter. As you can see, I have Python 3.14.2 installed on my Windows 11 laptop, and this happens to be the latest version of Python available at the time of recording this video. Now we are going to install Python 3.12. Open Chrome or any browser of your choice and type in the URL bar python.org. Hit enter. This is going to take you to the official website of Python. Now hover over downloads and click on all releases. On the downloads page, you are going to scroll down until you find this section which says looking for a specific release. In the table below, you are going to scroll down further until you find Python 3.12.10. Click on it. On this page, you need to scroll down again until you find the file section. You are going to see a table like this over here, in which you are going to click on Windows Installer 64-bit. Click on it and the installer has downloaded. You can see. Right click on it and click on open. This is going to open the installer. Let's minimize this window. You can see it says install Python 3.12.10. On this window, you are going to do one important thing. You are going to check this option which says add python.exe to path. So click on the checkbox to check it and now click on install now. You can see it is installing Python 3.12.10. It's going to take a little bit of time. Alright, the setup was successful. It says now close the installer. Now let's verify the installation of Python 3.12.10. To do that, open the Start menu, type CMD in the search bar and open command prompt. Once the command prompt opens, type py space -0. So what is this? Windows comes with a Python launcher that lets you manage multiple versions. So this command shows all installed Python versions on your system. Hit enter and there you go. Python 3.14 was already there on my Windows 11 laptop. I showed you that before. Python 3.13 was also there. I installed it some time back and Python 3.12 appears, which I just installed in this video. If you want to check which specific version of Python 3.12 is installed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then you are going to write this command py space -3.12 space -- version. Hit enter and it's going to give you the version of Python 3.12, which at this moment it says Python 3.12.10, and this is the version which we just installed. Now to install libraries for Python 3.12, you are going to use pip like this. So you will write py space -3.12 space -m pip. Let's check the version of pip that got installed with Python 3.12.10. So we'll write -- version. There you go. This version of pip is from Python 3.12. Now, let's say if you want to install pandas, you are going to write the command as py space -3.12 space -m pip install pandas. Hit enter. And you can see it has started installing pandas using Python 3.12.10. That's it. You now have Python 3.12 and Python 3.14 installed side by side on Windows 11. Use Python 3.12 when a library doesn't yet support newer versions like Python 3.14 or Python 3.30. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Python 3.12 on Windows 11 when you already have Python 3.14 or Python 3.13 installed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. From this video of Joyce Tech, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.